Can you tell me the difference between male and female day-old chicks? Many farmers think they can, but they are completely wrong. And this simple mistake is costing them money. Welcome to Fresh Manna Farms Agro Academy. Here we teach practical poultry farming that gives results. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can correctly identify male and female day-old chicks using simple method that anyone can learn. But before I reveal this big secret unto you, I want you to look closely at these chicks and guess. Tell me the difference. Which one is male? Which one is female? Before I tell you this secret.
Strong and bold, fresh manna turkeys purely gold, big and fine, well bred with care. Of fresh manna leads everywhere, mushrooms rising pure and white, nature's treasure, clean and light. Fresh manna.
When it comes to sexing of our day-old chicks, there are a lot of different theories that when people normally see or apply. Some are correct, some are not correct, some are perfect, and some are more professional. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best method you can use if you want to sex your day-old chicks from day 1 to like day 3. The best method you can use. Maybe you're a poultry farmer or you go into foreign turkey, local turkey. Now the problem is, how can you detect the sex of your turkey? How can you detect the sex of your broiler, the sex of your broiler versus the sex of your pullet, which is layers? This is the major concern that many farmers don't know and they don't get. Many guess. Many say that if you see a broiler, let's use broiler for example, the one that is bigger is a male broiler. It's a wrong guess. Most of the times when they are still day-old, this theory is not correct. This theory is fake. And by the end of the day, when your broiler bears or when your bears are now food, discover that you have chosen the wrong sex. Some say that the one that is more active is a male bird. Well, sometimes this guess is okay, but most of the times it's not okay. You can discover that even one that is active might be female, one that is less active might be male. So this method also is not correct, and you can't go with this method. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the method that you are going to use, the most perfect method. Just 2 methods. If you can know these 2 methods, you are good to go. Nobody can cheat you again. No person can cheat you again. If you are going for your turkey, you get the right sex. If you are going, also people that are going into layers, you also need this sexy method, because you can see that most of them now are being scammed. Even some will be giving broiler instead of pullet. Some will be giving male bird, cockerel, instead of pullet, instead of the female one. So you need to know this sexy method as a farmer. Many people, many experts will not reveal the secret unto you. But in this channel, Fresh Manna Farms Agro Academy, we normally reveal secrets that you can make use of on your farm. The secret that can help you improve the quality of your farming. We reveal everything unto you in this channel. You need to know the best way to sex your bird. The best way to sex your bird. The first method I'm going to talk about today, the first method is feather sexing method. Feather sexing method. And this feather sexing method, the one we are going to talk about today, is wing method. Feather wing method. Feather wing method. How can you know your bird? How can you know the sex of your bird? Through this feather method. Through this feather wing method. You all know where we can find wings. We can say that wing is their hand. The wing of bird is their hand. And we are going to use 2 types of bird today. The first one for this practical, the first one is broiler, while the second one is broiler bird. The first one is broiler bird and the second one is broiler bird. Same thing is applicable to all the type of bird, either turkey, either or anything. So now, how can you sex your broiler through their wing feather. Now, let's start with female broiler bed. The first bed, let's use broiler bed. And the first one I'm going to talk about is female broiler bed. This is broiler bed. Now, I want to talk about female broiler bed because we normally say that female first. Now, how will I know that this broiler bed is a female? Look at me very well. Very, very simple. I'm going to detect the sex through their wing feather, through the feather in their wing. This is their wing. This is their wing. So the feather on their wings will give me clue to their sex. What do I mean? If you look at this wing very well, number one is that today now makes their day 3. Today is their day 3 now that I've got them. I got them on Tuesday and today is Thursday. So today is their day 3. Now, you see their feather. If you look at this feather very well, we know that we have 2 layers. This feather on their wings has 2 layers. What do I mean? Look at it too. This one at the top is the first layer. Why this one the second layer? You can see now. You can see now. These longer ones, they are the first layers. First layer. Why the shorter one? This one up is the second layer. It's only female bird at the day old or the first 3 days or 1 week that normally has this kind of pattern of feather. This kind of layers of feather is only female bird. Please listen very well. This method is very, very simple. If you know it, you have known it, and you need to master it. And this one will give you at least 95% accuracy if you are sexing your day old chicks. Starting from day old, you will notice this thing. It give you 95% accuracy. So it's only female birds that their feather at the wings. We have 2 layers. You see this one. This one, longer one, is the first layer, while the one at the top is the second layer. Also, they have 2 layers of feather that are alternating. What do I mean by that? You see longer one, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. So this one is a female broiler bed. Female broiler bed. This is a female broiler bed for sure. For sure, it's a female broiler bed. So when you get your farm, you can also try it and mark it. So when the broiler beds now come bigger, you know it. Let me try another female bed. Let me try another female bed so that you can see. Let me try another female bed. This is another female broiler bed now. You can see it now. Also, same things applicable. It has 2 layers of wing feather. This longer one and the shorter one at the top. The shorter one, they are at the top, while the longer ones, they are down here. You can see now. There are 2 layers. You can see 2 layers now. It's only female birds that normally has this kind of layers. You can see layer, the shorter one at the top, the longer one at down. Also, it's alternative. One longer, short, long, short, long, short, long, and short. So for sure, this is a female broiler bed. A female broiler bed. Now let's try male broiler bed. Whether it's the same pattern or different pattern. Let's try male broiler bed. This is a male broiler bed, and they will be same age. This one is a male broiler bed, and they will be same age. Now look at their wing feather on their wings. In the case of female, we are having 2 types of wing, longer and shorter. But if you look at the case of male, it's only one size and of equal size. Yeah, of equal size. You know, no short, no long. They're of equal size. You can see they are of equal size. Everything is equal, same size. It's not different. No alternate. Is the same size. You can see it now. It's the same size. The same size. This one will be clearly seen once when they are still day old. It's of the same size. You can see it now. It's of the same size. It's not alternating. The same size. So this one is a male broiler bed. Also, let me check another male broiler bed and you see it by yourself. Let's check this one also. This one is also male. You can see that their wing feather is of the same size. It's not having pattern. It's of the same size. You can see now. So this is male broiler bed. This is how you can detect it through their wing. Very simple. Any farmer can know it. It is very simple. Now let's check another type of bed. Let's check noila bed. Noila bed. This is noila bed now. This is noila bed. You can see it's noila. No noila now. Cross birds between broiler and layers. So this is noila bed. And this one is female. How do I know? Just like the case of broiler bed, you can see it is having two sizes, two types of wing feather. This longer one and the top one, shorter one. You can see now two layers of feather. Two layers of feather. Also the feathers, they are alternating. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long. You can see now. So this is, you can see now, two layers. This is female noila bed. Female noila bed. Now let's check male noila bed. This is our male noila bed. You can see it now. The feather is only one size, not having two layers. Only one size. You can see it. Only one size. So it's having just one size. So this is male noila bed. Only one size. So that is how we can detect the sex of our birds, AO chicks, through the size of their wing. Now I want to show us another method again you can use to detect this our AO chicks through their feather. But this time it's not size, it's the pattern of their wing feather. Pattern. Let me show us now. What do I mean by pattern? How their wing feather looks like, the pattern it takes. You can see it now. The feather is coming like this from here. When it gets here, it's changed immediately. It was coming here from this place, but when it gets here, it thing now changed like step. It changed like step. So this one we call it stair step method. Stair step pattern. This is stair step pattern of their wing feather. Stair step pattern. It's not straight. When this one, they are very long. This one is longer. This side is longer. Here is shorter. This side is shorter, but here is longer. So we call it stair step pattern. And it's not like that in May. Let me show that of May now. This is May wing feather. You call that of May uniform slope pattern. You can see everything is uniform. Rhyme. You can see it now. Rhyme. It's coming like this. Coming like it's rhyme. It's rhyme. No different pattern. Everything is just rhyme. So we call it uniform slope pattern for May broiler. So my people, this is the best way you can check the pattern, the sex. This is the best way you can sex your birds through their wing feather, through the feather on their wings. Now this one will give you at least 95% accuracy. We are detecting the sex of your bird. Now sexing of our AO chicks is not a guesswork, it is a skill, and once you understand it, you avoid most of the costly mistakes. Choose a right bird today and run a profitable poultry business. If you have learned something new today, subscribe to our channel Fresh Manna Farms Agro Academy for more fresh and practical poultry training. Also, like this video and share it with a farmer who is about to get his own AO chicks.
This is Fresh Manna Farms.